Hello students, last class lo manam ingredients, which ingredients are need to prepare any food item we discussed. Okay, now in this class we discuss the ingredients will come from plants or animals. We will discuss. Yesterday class I gave you what are the ingredients we need to prepare payasam, chicken curry and palli karam. Okay, now in payasam, if we prepare payasam, what do we need? Semia, milk, sugar or jaggery, kismis, cashew nuts, ilachi, milk. These items we need to prepare for payasam. Then chicken curry. If we want to prepare chicken curry, we need chicken, masala, salt, chili powder, tomatoes, turmeric powder, oil, etc. Or if we want to prepare palli karam, what are the ingredients we need? Those are groundnuts, red chilli, salt, oil, etc. Okay, then the materials which are required to prepare food are known as ingredients. Okay, now I will show you some food items, some food ingredients, not food items, some ingredients. Tell me, I will show you one table also. Tell me, where will the food ingredients are coming from? From plants or animals? Understood? Actually, if we want to eat any food item, we will take from plants or animals. Okay? Like that. I will show you one table. From the table, the ingredients are coming from plant or animals, you have to say. Okay? See this table. Here I will show you some of the ingredients. What are those? See, cooking oil, honey, chips, turmeric powder, salt, dough, meat, rice, eggs, sugar and peanuts. Okay? Tell me the answer. These are coming from plants or animals? Cooking oil. If you take the groundnuts oil, if you are using the groundnuts oil in your home, how did it come? From cooking oil. Plants or animals? It plant. Honey. How the honey is coming? From honeybees. These are insects. Okay. Chips. How do you prepare the chips? Chips are coming from potato. Potato is a vegetable. Vegetables are coming from plants. Next, turmeric powder. Turmeric powder also coming from plants. Salt. Salt is coming from... Now salt. Salt is coming from plant or animal? No, it's not coming from plant or animal. It's coming from sea water. No? Next, dough. Dough means any dough. Wheat flour or rice flour, anything. Those two also coming from any dough will coming from plants. Meat. Meat will coming from animals. Rice. Rice coming from plants. Eggs coming from birds. Sugar coming from plants. Peanuts coming from... Where the peanuts are coming from? Plants. Okay? Like this. We will get these items from plants or animals. Okay? Next, we notice that there are number of animals from which we get different kinds of food. Understood? Then, I will show you some pictures. Those are also ingredients. Okay? Give me some names of those ingredients. Look here. What you are looking here? What picture you are looking? Here some are dry fruits are there. Okay? These all are ingredients only. If you want to prepare any food item, we will use these things. See, I will tell you the names of those things. First ఏమున్నాయి? లవంగం. లవంగ్ ఆర్ క్లౌన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ యాలకులు, ఇలాచి, బాదం, ఆల్మండ్స్, జీడిపప్పు, క్యాష్యూ నట్స్, అలానే గల్నట్, కిస్మిస్, నట్మెగ్, cinnamon, biryani leaves. These items will use in any, if you want to prepare any food item, we will use these things. Okay, here see, I will show you one box. Here so many items we look in the picture. What are those? Ilachi, lavanga, dalchin, cinnamon, biryani leaves, pepper, etc. These items are growing in our surroundings? No. And also the cashew nuts, almonds, kismis also not growing. We are not cropping these type of plants. Understood? They are coming from far places. So we will call them fragment materials or condiments. What do we call them? Condiments or fragrant materials. These items are not available in our surroundings, and those are also not available so many amount of quantities also. That's why they are very expensive in our surroundings. We are also bringing them from far places onwards. Okay, next I will show you another table. Look here. These are also some ingredients. See, fenugreek called mentulu, mustard avalu, sugarcane cheruku, carrot, onion, cabbage, asafoetida. So these are coming from plants or animals, we know. In that also, is it coming from plant only, but is it coming from, we are using as our leaves, seeds, stem, like that, or flower, like that. We are also eating some flowers, buds, roots, stem, leaves. Okay, we are eating leaves like spinach. We are eating roots like carrot. We are eating stem like potato. We are eating seeds like coconut oil, groundnut oil, like that. Like that, see, fenugreeks are leaves and seeds we will take like food. Mustard oils, mustard, these are coming from seeds. Sugarcane, these are coming from stem. Carrot, it's a root. Onion, leaves and leaves. Cabbage, leaves. Asafoetida, stem. Okay, like this. If we want to prepare any type of food, we will take from plants and animals. From the plants also, we are using all the parts of the plant. We will take as a food from plant, like roots, from roots, stem, leaves, flowers, buds, seeds, etc. Okay, thank you.